Okay, good morning. Welcome to TimberTracks tutorial on how to create a new user account. So if you need to add your employees onto here, this is how you would do it. So I've already gone ahead and logged into our demo account here as George French, but this is the view without any information, obviously, because there's nothing in there that a contractor account level would see. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this admin in the menu here. It's going to give you a drop down for users. Click on that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the right hand corner here where the blue button is, where it says add user. Click it. It's going to take me to a brand new screen. So on this screen, you would continue to enter the information for your employee. And then phone number if you so choose, role. This is where you select what access they have. So contractor would be full. They'd see all company information. Employee would be the basic user, so just their time cards. And then the supervisor is a supervisor of employees, so someone who needs to approve time cards. So we'll say Joe's an employee, and he's working for XYZ interior demo. His position, you can say he's a buncher operator, and then his status is active. The options there are active, inactive, or injured. So basically active means they're working. And in here, it doesn't say it's required, but we've noticed that there's some weird stuff that happens if you don't put a default supervisor. So we highly recommend that you put in a default supervisor. And in this case, we'll say that George French Demo IC is the employee supervisor. And then down here, this default company is if you did have multiple companies under this same contractor account, then you could choose between the companies that you had as options to select which company they primarily work for. So then once I'm done that, I would go ahead and click Save. And it's going to show you that it has been saved. You might want to rewind, but there was a little green thing that flashed up there saying that user added. Then you go back into your user list here and you see Joe Smith in here. And his permissions are not selected. So this is one additional field that needs to be completed in order for them to be able to log in. And it's this toggle permissions. So we're going to give him access to the clock, which is time. And if you just hover over it, it tells you what they are. It's not going to work because oh, there we go. So there you go. And then now Joe will get an email notifying him that account has been created for him and a prompt for him to set up his password. That's it. If you have any issues, give me a shout. I can be reached at support@timbertracks.ca. Thanks a lot and have a great day.